Hello guys, how are you doing? We're not in the normal house we showed you in the first vlog. We're in a beach house. And we've got our own little kind of house kind of things, little rooms, which I'll show you in a minute. So yeah, so George, how was your day today? What did we do?
Beach.
We went to a beach, yes. And I also bought a new wallet, which is the Legend of Zelda wallet. So you can see there's a Triforce, and also inside it says Zelda, Twilight Princess. Oh. So yeah, so we've been so we're at a beach house. Should we give them a tour around?
Just this part, yeah.
Just this part and the other side, and the other house. We'll walk in as well. So yeah, so we'll be back in a second. We'll show you around the place. So this is my room. Got a poster called "Live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words."
Even though it's printed in words, it makes no sense.
Yeah. So this is my room. Got my own little TV in there. Door. Bed, double bed, bank, everything sucks. These are my new earphones. What they're called again? What they're called?
Yeah, school candy.
School candy. It's there, isn't it? School candy. They're pretty good.
And then we've got this little
the
coat hanger here.
a little coat hanger. Oh,
We've got a wardrobe.
in here is the toilet, where the poo happens and the shower happens. Yes, the shower and everything happens.
And then got my
This
room.
is George's room. Same kind of same as mine, but he hasn't got a TV, so he has to come in my room to watch TV.
Yeah.
Socks.
Socks. Ah. Huh? We just go upstairs. So, don't put your shoes on, we just go upstairs. Look through here. So, this is the decking. And the car. The decking's got a tree growing out of it.
Oh no, it's really weird.
And this is the inside of the house. Yeah, this is all that. This is their house. Their room. Hi. Hi. Good night. This is the kitchen. You guys watching? Friends, oh, we were just watching that. Got a guitar. Say hi, Sarah. Are you doing decent? Oh, say hi. This is your room.
Yes.
You can have a look.
It's
Just a room with a
the
fan.
room, the fan, and the bed,
Yes.
and a light.
So what have we done today?
Wardrobe.
And a wardrobe. Oh, exciting. So what have we done today, Sarah?
We've been to the beach, walking on the beach,
on the beach.
fish and chips at Byron Bay Beach Hotel, I think it was.
I like that photo
Very
there.
nice. It's very
I
nice.
just stuck my toe.
On absolutely nothing. There's
Oh,
nothing
there's
there.
something there.
There's nothing
Look,
there.
it's right there.
Nothing
right there.
to see.
So who did we see? Who is it we saw from
It's
Australia's Got Talent?
The salty rain man from Australia's Got Talent,
Did we?
who didn't have talent,
It didn't have time. We were just dancing.
just a little bit.
Yeah. So around here is just bedrooms. Dad's hat. We don't like this hat. This hat can go away. This hat can go in the bin. Another wardrobe. Oh, exciting. Another painting. Yeah, and another bedroom with no lights. So yeah. So Pritchard family, how are you enjoying the holiday? Gemma, how's the holiday? Dad? You good? George, want to say goodbye? Say see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, guys.
See you tomorrow. On the tree, there's a kookaburra. Can you see it? There was. Huh? Oh, I'm lazy.
Get yourself down here, mate.
Will I come down to the ground?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should put some ham down. Oh, they won't come right in front of you, but you'll have to.
Trying to draw the kookaburras in with ham. Aren't they? Oops, sorry. Is this still a kookaburra? I can't see.
You see it?
No. I can't see it, my video can't see it. Oh, okay, I can see it. There it is. Let's try to draw it in. Nice kookaburra. Get your earphones off. On the floor, there is a butcher bird as well. Yay, butcher bird! Yay! There's a kookaburra. It just came out to get some meat. It's going in the tree. Kookaburra's rare or something. Sarah, a kookaburra's rare or something.
They're just an Australian native bird. You don't get them outside of Australia.
You want to buy the kookaburra?
Please put some ham down.
There's a kookaburra. Move your head, Dad. There's a kookaburra in that tree.
There's one there as well.
And we're trying to draw it out with meat.
And there's another one that's just growing its tail. Can you see this one there?
There's a kookaburra now. There it is. There, the Australian native bird of
Yeah, MJ, go right up to the bottom if you can get there.
Oh,
He's come. Here you go.
That's a kookaburra. Mom's trying to take pictures of it. Looks really nice. Busy with the kookaburras. Busy.
Come on, look us. There you go. Hello. Come on. Go over here.
Why is he
He's
just
trying to, because he thinks it's a bug, he's trying to
kill it?
bash it on the floor and break it. Just like that. Dan, come on, dear. You'll be able to sit in.
Photographer Mum.
We can go quite close now. Between the doors. Yeah, look out for the Andes.
There's Mum trying to get a picture of herself. Stealth. Under the pants. Oh, to the tree again.
Beautiful birds. There's another one in the tree.
Hey guys, it's Chestnut here again. Just to say, we're not in the same beach house now, we've moved, and I will record the house tour video and everything, but we're going to do whale watching now, so I'll show you that now. See you in a bit, guys. So we're here at the, what's it called, Whale Bay Marine place, so we're going to go watch some whales. There's a big giant whale statue. Big giant whale statue. Yeah, so hopefully if there's whales I shall be recording them. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Look at that.
Tail's going to go up now.
Oh, that's really cool. Whoa!
You never know
That
what
was
you're going to
good.
get with these whales. They can do anything at any time, and they're definitely showing that off. So that's what we call a bit of a lazy.
I didn't get it either. I just got what he said. Oh, there's the whale again. That is cool.
Okay, so as we move the boat, they should be towards the front, once again on the left-hand side. And that's the change direction. It's the majority of the...
Whoa! That is cool.
Every single
good.
People ask us when are these whales going to breed. We never know. It's definitely
I think I got it.
very lucky when you get to see one.
I know, I got
Absolutely
mine.
amazing.
So that our mum's head
Okay, so
tonight.
2 clicks with the tail, 11 or 12, and 1 further out. Just seeing the blows are on the surface towards the left. Okay, make sure you hang on so we
wow.
wave it. Rock it
so
side to
cool.
side.
I know I said.
So if you get to Fraser Island, you may have seen whales go past,
Come on.
because when they migrate, they pass the outside of Fraser Island. It's humpback
Oh, look at
highway
that,
there
that's
at
so
the moment.
beautiful.
Lots and lots of whales going past.
That is awesome.
Most of the cars are born further up north. Okay, right beside us here, left-hand side.
Wow.
So there's definitely 2 whales. There's the second whale on the surface.
That is big.
Oh,
Oh,
and
there's one there.
oh, look at that one. That's
Sorry for the camera, guys. It's a bit wonky on the road.
an interesting. That one just had something hanging off its dorsal fin. These actually may be some of the whales that have been fighting this morning. Because we've seen, so these humpback whales, they don't mate for life. The males basically fight for the right to mate with the female. Fighting gets pretty full on. They really sort of push each other out of the road. They sort of land on top of each other, and the strongest whale will eventually win. So one by one, the losers just take off, and then the winner will get to mate with.
Mr. Birdie. Mr. Birdie, be my friend. Mr. Birdie. Will you be my friend? I need friends. Hello, Mr. Birdie. Mr. Birdie, why are you running away? Mr. Birdie! Mr. Birdie! Be my friend! No! Why'd you be so distant, Mr. Birdie? Where are we going, George?
Mount Cooper.
Vancouver. Have you been there before?
Yeah, I have actually.
What's it like?
It's quite nice to actually see. It's really nice.
So hopefully if we're quick enough we get there at sunset. Is that
Yeah.
right? So we could watch
And
the sunset.
nice. Especially when you see it when it's day and then it turns to night, so it's amazing.
Okay. So, well, we'll see you when we get there, yeah?
Yep.
Where are we?
Oh my god.
Bye bye. Her face. So, Mum. Where are we?
We're up on the top of Mount Cootha.
Bit louder.
On the top of Mount Cootha. Overlooking the city of Brisbane. Here's the city over there. Extreme closer.
So that's the city of Brisbane over there, is it? Jack. Selfie. That's noted.
Don't do that.
Don't do
ever
it.
again.
But the selfie.
Hello.
What we've been up to like this last week?
Well, we've been away for.
Stop getting close! Get back and lean on the bar. No, I didn't do that. He did that himself then. So what have we done?
Back and lean over there. Oh, he's gone.
Right, Dad.
We've been away for 7 nights in Rainbow Beach and Byron Bay.
So tell me what we've done. We didn't record anything there, did we?
Oh, we went
Except
up
for
a
the whale
big
watching.
mountain.
Hmm?
We went up a big mountain, Jess.
No, what have we done at Rainbow? What did we do at Rainbow? Because I only recorded the whales there, remember?
Oh, in Rainbow,
Okay, Mom, what do
You're not looking at the view. The view's that way.
I know, Sarah, I know.
I'm just running.
It's amazing.
Down there.
Mom, quickly, what do we do at Rainbow?
Or do we do it Rainbow?
Yeah, so I didn't record anything but the whales there.
Well, we hired a car and drove up to Harvey Bay.
I recorded nothing but the rainbows. But the rainbows, but the whales.
Oh, you did record the whales?
I recorded the whales. What else did we do?
Bodyboarding
Oh yeah.
and fishing
Yeah.
and walking up and down the beach, which is absolutely beautiful. And buried yourself in the sand dam, and then Gemma turned you into a mermaid, and then Uncle Dean and
Pictures will be on the
Dad-
screen as we speak.
And then your Uncle Dean and Dad threw a bucket of water in your face because you couldn't move.
Dan, turn around. No, turn around. Put your
Ice cream.
cold.
That's not. Nah.
Always cold for ice cream.
Oh, in Australia.
Don't just say it's too cold for ice cream.
Dad did. I would never say that.
That's just a tactical point to get them knocked off.
Too cold. Too cold.
Normally I have boysenberry.
Boysenberry.
It's a bit like raspberry.
For boysenberry's poisons. So you're not having an ice cream?
I'm not having an ice cream
Why?
because it's very cold.
Is it?
No, it's not really. I don't.
What do we do in Rainbow, Dad?
We went swimming in the sea with the sharks.
Is that it?
Let me see the whales.
Didn't swim in the world. Say goodbye. I don't know.
Cookies and cream as well.
Where? What's that? Is that cookies and cream?
I think so, yeah.
Oh! Remember that instead, then? If that's what, is that cookies and cream? Cool. I'll get mine in the cone, please, Mom. I don't know. Lucky Road of cookies and cream. Lucky Road of cookies and cream. I don't.
It's not that big of a decision. Yeah, whatever.
Is that cookies and cream?
No, sorry, we don't have cookies and cream here. That's chocolate chip and caramel.
Chocolate chip and caramel.
Oh.
That sounds nice. Have you got any more of that rainbow one on the end?
No, sorry, not at the moment.
Road in a cone. Yay.
Good outcome.
That's all right. Tacky road.
What is hokey pokey?
Yes? Excuse me, what's hokey pokey?
It's vanilla with butterscotch and honeycomb pieces.
There you go.
Sounds right.
Did you want to
Still having
taste
Rocky
test
Road?
that one?
No,
I've
so
got this, I'm alright.
I'll just go with the Rocky Road, please. That's all. Looks delicious. You're the boring one, Dad. Everyone's had ice cream but you. I don't want it. Ice cream's ice cream.
I'm so full up from this walk.
Thank you.
Is that nice?
I should try to read enough as well. Should have gone for that one.
Got it.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Just the two, so that's $8.40, please.
Thank you.
What do I do with a spoon?
What did you say was in it? I forgot already.
Say goodbye.
Bye. What did you say was in it?